To set up a bedtime mode on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, first of all we need to go to settings. Scroll down in the settings until you find digital wellbeing and parental controls. And then over here scroll down again in order to find the bedtime mode. Tap over here in order to set it up. You can choose to have D&D mode activated when using the bedtime mode. You can tap over here in order to manage that. Let's proceed. Then you can choose when the bedtime mode should start. You can choose the start time and the end time, as well as days of the week. By default we have every day of the week selected, but of course you can exclude, for example, weekends or something. And you can also choose to use this schedule over here, or you can turn on while charging after 9 PM for example. Or you can adjust the time as well. So now we can press done. We also have this option where we can allow access to app usage and sensor data. You can also enable and disable motion and light detection, and the time zone history. So I can press allow over here. And there we go. Bedtime mode is pretty much set up right now. It is based on the selected schedule. If you want to remove the schedule, you can simply set this option to none over here, where we have the bedtime routine. You can also manually turn on or turn off the bedtime mode by tapping on the switcher. You can pause for 30 minutes. You can tap turn off for now as well. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.